What is going on, boys? It's been a little while since the last video. It's been really crappy out when I'm not working, and when I am working, I've been working pretty late, almost up until dark, so I haven't really had a chance to get the car out and drive it. But I want to thank all the people that ran that last video up for me. It did pretty good. I guess that's what you guys want to see with this car, is some runs. So I'm gonna try to get some more runs for you guys. A lot of people liked that kind of video with this car. I know in the comments everyone was flaming me up for my shifting. Like, I'm working on it, guys. I know my shifting is not the best. I don't really try to beat on it too much. I drive this car every single day. This is my only car. It's got 67,000 miles on it right now. I just cleaned it not too long ago. It is looking fantastic right now. But yeah, thank you for all the guys that are liking, commenting, subscribing, all the new guys to the channel. Got some more runs coming for you guys pretty soon. Got some pretty interesting videos. So that's what I'm gonna try to work on today, is trying to get that 2-3 shift a little better for you guys. So maybe I can start winning some races out in Mexico. My 2-3 shifts are like how they were in the last video. There's probably no chance of me winning at all. I read all the comments and I'll take any advice I can get, you know what I mean? So I appreciate all the guys watching the last video, everyone that ran it up, liked, and subscribed since the last video. Let's just jump in today's video, guys. A lot of people were coming at me for my shifts, my 2-3, but man, unless you drive one of these cars, you don't really know what it's like, you know what I mean? I know even my friend Trevor was coming at me. He's like, man, you gotta work on them shifts, you're making the car look bad. But it's all for fun, guys, you know what I mean? It's not money on the line or anything like that, you know, it's all for fun. Cleared out, now we're down in Mexico. I'm gonna try getting this 2-3 shift a little better for you boys. I can't shift this thing, so I'm gonna work on it. Do a lot better than that. That was kind of crappy. 40, second gear. Let's do it. Man, that sounded crazy. Tires are warm after that. I still hesitated. I hesitated in between shifts. Kind of bad. Dang, I can't be doing that though, you know what I mean? I can't be hesitating in between my 2 and 3. Alright, I think this is another safe spot out in Mexico. Second gear, 40. Still not quick enough. Still not quick enough. Really need to get it in the gear. Alright, I'm gonna come up here and pop the hood and let it chill out for a second. And I'll hit the road again, do a couple more, see if I can get it right. Alright, I'll let the car cool off a little bit. Should be cool enough. No, it's still really hot. I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes. Well, maybe if I drive a little bit, it'll cool down a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't pull too much timing. I'm just gonna drive a little bit and let the motor cool down. Alright, one more. That wasn't satisfactory. Do it again. I gotta get this. There's no way I'm leaving Mexico without getting this. Attempt number 375. Sucks. Alright, try this one more time. How many times I'm gonna try it one more time? That 2-3 was insanely better. That's probably the best one I've ever done so far. Rocks. Let's see if I can get a little more comfortable doing that 2-3. What that is in the road. There's something metal in the road. Avoided catastrophe just there. Let's do one more. Ready? Still wasn't good. Something stops me from going. It feels like I'm trying to push it in and it doesn't like find it. I know it looks like I'm going into neutral and just stopping, but I'm still pushing. You know what I mean? The clutch is held down. Let the car cool down some more. Been beating on it a lot. Wanted to let it cool down a little bit, you know what I mean? So it's not too hard on the car. And give it a couple more tries. I really want to get that 2-3 down. Once more. I'll give it one more. I'm not gonna like max it out or anything because this car is getting hot. So I'm just gonna work on the 2-3 as quick as I can. Yeah, I can already tell it's just not happy right now. I've been doing that too much. I'm starting to get it a little bit more. Gotta really like find third really good. I think I'm gonna mess with the clutch pedal a little bit and I'm gonna mess with the shifter. Maybe I'll get a different shifter. This is the Steeda short throw. Maybe I'll get like an MGW and hopefully it'll fix things, hopefully. I can find it when I'm slowly shifting really easily. When I'm trying to quick shift, it just, I don't know, it just hits a wall, it feels like it locks out. And I don't want to push the car too much, you know what I mean? So try to be as nice as I can to this car. To end off the video, I'll give it one more try because all my tries have been terrible except for one. So here we go, boys, last try. Still a hesitation. Man, I suck. Yeah, car's got to cool off. By the time the car cools off, it'll probably be dark. That's probably what I'll do. I might just go out at night. You guys won't be able to see much because I really want to get this video out like in a few days. You know, edit it tonight, get it out by tomorrow or the next day. So you guys won't be able to see much, but it'll be a lot cooler out. It'll be easier on the car. And I'll let the car cool down, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna let the car cool down, park up somewhere, and I'm gonna come back out when it's a little darker, and I'm gonna try to get that 2-3 again, you know what I mean? I don't want to keep beating on the car when it's too hot. So I think I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm gonna try like pushing down on the shifter and forward, because usually I'm just pushing forward, and for some reason it doesn't want to do anything. It like hits a wall almost. So I'm gonna try like pushing down and forward, see if that makes like a little bit of a difference on how fast I can get it into gear. I can shift really fast, it's just pushing it into third is the problem because it feels like there's a wall or something. So let's give it a shot. Pushing down and forward and see if I can get it into third. Try it one more time. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a whole lot better. For some reason, I think it's this shifter that's messing me up. I feel like, I don't know, I gotta be shifting this shifter a certain way, because if you're just pushing forward, it doesn't want to go. But if you push a little, like, pressure down and push forward, it does it a lot faster. I feel like it doesn't feel like it hits that wall. It doesn't have that hesitation before it goes into gear. You know, I know the clutch kick, you know what I mean? It's just getting it into the gear before I let off the clutch is the problem. Can definitely still use a little bit of work, but it is definitely speeding up a little bit. I think it's this shifter that's messing me up. And I'm gonna try getting an MGW for this thing instead of a Steeda that's on it right now. I feel like an MGW would help a lot more, because that's the problem I'm having, is the shifter. When I try to push it in the third, it's like it stops itself. But now I know how to finesse this shifter a little bit better, so it shouldn't be a problem. What the helly? Oh. He said, I'm not getting a ticket. That. I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.